Thank you for watching this Deere Systems tutorial. In this video, we'll take a look at warranties. Deere Inventory provides sellers with the ability to manage manufacturer warranties for their products. This helps facilitate the return merchandise authorization process when products are returned during the warranty period, or RMA for short. This leads to better customer support and helps track and reduce repair costs. To create a warranty, navigate to Settings, Reference Books, then to Stock, and select Warranties. On the Warranties page, click the plus button. Here you'll be able to enter a name for the warranty and select an option for the start date of the warranty. Sales order means the warranty terms come into effect from the posting date of the sales order. Invoice means they come into effect from the posting date of the invoice. And shipment means they come into effect from the ship date of the product. By default, the warranty registration number is set to auto-generate, meaning that Deere will automatically assign the warranty registration number during the pack stage of the sales order. You can change this to manual if you yourself want to enter the warranty registration number for the sales order after the pack step is authorized. Note that if warranty registration numbers are to be set manually, make sure they are unique to prevent any issues. By default, the warranty term is set to lifetime, meaning that the warranty will be valid forever. You can change this by selecting Calculated, then set the number of days, months, or years for the warranty term. On the warranty agreement box, enter either the text or a link to the warranty agreement. Since the warranty is already active by default, click Save to go back to the warranty page. Here, you'll see your newly created warranty appear within the warranty list. From here, you can search for a warranty that you can then edit, deactivate, or delete. Warranties can be edited at any time. To edit a warranty, either look for the warranty from the list or search for a specific warranty. Select the warranty to open it for editing. On the Edit Warranty page, make your changes to the record, then click Save. Deleting a warranty means that it becomes permanently unavailable for use in Deere. The warranty will become unavailable for use until it's active again. A warranty can be deleted or deactivated at any time unless it's been applied to a product in your inventory. If the warranty is already in use, you need to apply another warranty to the product before Deere allows you to delete or deactivate the warranty. To deactivate a warranty, enter a warranty's edit window and under Status, click Inactive, then Save. To delete a warranty, find the warranty from the list and select the X icon to its right. Once a warranty is created, it can be applied to both new and existing products, as well as product families in your inventory. Note that when a warranty is applied to a product family, all the products belonging to the family become eligible for the warranty. In the case that a separate warranty is applied to a product belonging to a family, the warranty applied to the product takes precedence over the warranty for the family. To set a warranty for a product, open the product profile, and in the warranty field, select the desired warranty. Then, save your changes. Now we'll process a sales order as usual. After a warranty is set for a product, every time the product is included in a sales order, warranty registration takes place as soon as the order reaches the pack stage. This is true for both simple and advanced sales. This process is also the same for sales orders consolidated from third-party e-commerce platforms such as Amazon, eBay, Magento. Select the product with the warranty, authorize the order, and then begin the pick stage. Once at the pack stage, the order line will display two additional columns. Warranty, which displays the warranty name for the product as defined in the product's details page, and registration number, which is a number generated when the product is added to the sales order. When the Generate Warranty Registration Number is set to automatic during warranty setup, the warranty registration number is pre-filled during fulfillment, specifically at the pack stage. When the Generate Warranty Registration Number is set to manual during warranty setup, the warranty registration number is manually added at the pack stage. In this case, the registration number needs to be entered before the pack can be authorized. If the order line doesn't have a warranty registration number and you click Authorize, you'll be prompted to manually enter a warranty registration number. Once the pack stage is authorized, the warranty becomes effective on the required dates. The warranty registration number is displayed on the invoice, and the warranty certificate can be generated and provided to the customer. Note that if packing is set to automatic in General Settings Sales Process Customization, the sales order will still be authorized, but you have to return to the pack step and enter the warranty registration number into the appropriate column. If a warranty registration number is not entered at this stage, the warranty will not be applied to the sales order and the invoice will not include a warranty registration number. Also, a warranty certificate cannot be generated. Once a warranty registration number is generated, the warranty certificate becomes available for printing or emailing to the customer. The list of warranty registrations is available in the Sales module and under Warranties. Users tasked with handling your RMA process must be assigned Sale Warranty Search access permissions before they can access this list. When a customer files a warranty claim, you can check the list to see if the warranty is still valid or already expired. All valid warranties are displayed in the list by default. To search the warranty list, enter the registration number in the search bar in the top left. If found, the warranty is then displayed on this page. And that concludes this video on warranties.